and welcome to the Unhinged show. What happened the other day? कुछ एक दो संडे पहले मैं घर पे थी, बोर हो रही थी, सोचा बम्बल खोल लेती हूँ, फिर डेट वगैरह पे चली जाती हूँ, बाहर भी जाने का मन था, घूमने का मन भी था और शायद कुछ अच्छा मिल भी जाए. So then I opened my Bumble and I swiped right on this guy. Now in books he was fine. 5'11", brown eyes, works in finance. अब इंडिया में यही मिलता है तो expectations So I went on the date. It was going fine only until he chose to drop this big bomb on me. You know what he asked me? He asked me, so are you the feminist type? Right after that, I said, why do you say it like it's a gali? And he went like, nahi, matlab, I didn't mean that. What I mean is, feminism is slightly confusing nowadays, right? Matlab, should I hold the door open for you? Yeah, independent है और अपने लिए खुद कुछ ही करने के लिए. At that very moment, I went into my inner monologue. I mean, वैसे तो हजारों सालों से हाँ. These men have been trying to close all the doors on us. Schools, offices, boardrooms, stages, hell, even comedy clubs. But अचानक से, listen to this. But अचानक से अगर एक मासूम सा दरवाजा खोलना पड़ जाए in the name of chivalry, अचानक से they get feminism burns. Like, why do you have to keep it so complicated? बहुत सिंपल है यार. अगर मैं तुम्हारे आगे खड़ी हूँ तो तुम दरवाजा खोल देना और अगर तुम मेरे आगे खड़े होगे तो मैं खोल दूंगी. बिल्कुल भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. बट एनीवे आई वेंट ऑन विद द डेट बिकॉज टेबल पे अब पनीर टिक्का आ चुका था. This man had the audacity to ask me another major question. The age-old contemplation of men. What do women want? And I really wasn't ready for that, guys. I mean, even the paneer tikka is not worth it. So, I thought, you know what, I'd give him a lesson in what do women want. वैसे तो for all you guys here, I would give you a really nice tip that would work for your entire life. अगर अभी 2 मिनट ध्यान लगा के सुन लोगे तो. The women in your life, 110% have given you a lot of material to work with. From what she wants on her birthday to what positions she likes in the bed. It's not really that confusing यार. मतलब हम बहुत simple होती हैं. बिल्कुल इतनी complicated नहीं होती जितना दिखाया जाता है. We are really not from Venus or Mars. So all you have to do is listen to her. Listen to her for 5 minutes. अपनी phone की screen से ऊपर देख के चाहे cricket match चल रहा हो या football match, थोड़ी सी अपनी male ego पीछे रख के, and you would understand what we want. But anyway, if this is also not enough, I will give you a small list to start with. For starters, equal pay, menstrual leaves, not to be stared at in public.
Yes, please.
Even अगर Mr. इंदिरा गांधी गलती से पार्लियामेंट से बाहर भी आ जाए. A clean house, not a तौलिया लाओ type man. Someone to understand us. Foreplay before sex, right, ladies? And to be the rich man, not marry one mummy. मतलब stop with all the rishtas, dude. Anyway, after thinking all of this, I thought to myself, if believing in all of this makes me a feminist, तो हाँ, शायद हूँ मैं feminist. But the real question here was कि क्या वो है? Because if not, then this darwaza should stay closed. And then I did the worst thing you could imagine. I slipped the pill towards him and took a leave.